ग्रेट गुड मॉर्निंग ऑफिसर्स। मैं सुमित कुमार सिंह आप तमाम यूपीएससी एस्पेरेंट्स या अन्य कोई कम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन की तैयारी कर रहे विद्यार्थियों का इस मगध पुत्र ड्रीम आईएएस यूट्यूब चैनल में अभिनंदन करता हूँ। माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, हम यूपीएससी सिविल सेवा परीक्षा का एक ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट वैकल्पिक विषय का डिटेल्ड सिलेबस जानने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं। आप लोगों ने टाइटल में देख लिया होगा, उसका टाइटल है मैनेजमेंट। जो भी विद्यार्थी मैनेजमेंट के मतलब कह सकते हैं कि मैनेजमेंट को ऐसे ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट वैकल्पिक विषय के रूप में चुनते हैं, वो और उनके लिए यह जान लेना आवश्यक है कि आखिर यूपीएससी के द्वारा प्रोवाइड किया गया 2021 के ऑफिशियल नोटिफिकेशन में डिटेल्ड सिलेबस क्या दिया गया है। तो मैनेजमेंट का आज हम लोग डिटेल्ड सिलेबस देखेंगे यूपीएससी सिविल सर्विसेज परीक्षा का। ठीक है जी। तो हम लोग इसका 2 पेपर होता है, सभी को मालूम है कि हर एक ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट का कह सकते हैं चुनना तो एक ही सब्जेक्ट होता है, लेकिन उसके पेपर 2 होते हैं। तो पहले पेपर 1 का सिलेबस देखेंगे, फिर पेपर 2 का सिलेबस देखेंगे। ठीक है जी। तो आइए हम बस इस सिलेबस को रीड करने जा रहे हैं। रीड करने का मतलब यह हुआ कि हम रीड करने के बाद एट ए ग्लेंस, पहली नज़र में, सरसरी निगाह में, हम इस कह सकते हैं मैनेजमेंट ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट को एक पूरा का पूरा ओवरव्यू ले लेंगे। हम जान पाएंगे कि इसके अंतर्गत क्या क्या कंटेंट है। हम कोई एनालिसिस और विश्लेषण करने नहीं जा रहे हैं, बस ओवरव्यू लेने जा रहे हैं, मतलब इसे बस रीड करके जानने का प्रयास करेंगे। द कैंडिडेट शुड मेक अ स्टडी ऑफ द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ डेवलपमेंट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट एज अ साइंस एंड आर्ट, ड्राइंग अपॉन द कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ लीडिंग थिंकर्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट एंड अप्लाई द कॉन्सेप्ट टू द रियल लाइफ ऑफ गवर्नमेंट एंड बिजनेसेस decision making, keeping in view the changes in the strategic and operative environment. मैनेजरिकल फंक्शन एंड प्रोसेस। ठीक है जी। पेपर 1 से प्रारंभ करते हैं। कॉन्सेप्ट एंड फाउंडेशन ऑफ मैनेजमेंट, इवोल्यूशन ऑफ मैनेजमेंट थॉट्स, मैनेजरिकल फंक्शंस, प्लानिंग, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, कंट्रोलिंग, decision making, role of manager, managerial skills, entrepreneurship, management of innovation, managing in a global environment, flexible system management, social responsibility and managerial ethics, process and consumer orientation, managerial process on direct and indirect value chain. दूसरा पॉइंट में है ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल बिहेवियर एंड डिजाइन, कॉन्सेप्चुअल मॉडल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन behavior, the individual process, personalities, values and attitudes, perception, motivation, learning and reinforcement, work stress and stress management, the dynamic of organization behavior, power and politics, conflict and negotiation, leadership process and styles, communication, the organizational process, decision making, job design, classical, neoclassical and contingency approaches to organizational design, organizational theory and design, organizational culture, managing cultural diversity, learning organization, organizational changes and development, knowledge based enterprises, system and processes, network and virtual organizations, human resource management. तीसरा पॉइंट HR challenges, HRM functions, the future challenges of HRM, strategic management of human resources planning, job analysis, job evaluation, recruitment and selection, training and development, promotion and transfer, performance management, compensation management and benefits, employee moral and productivity management of organizational climate and industrial relations, human resources accounting and audit, human resource information system, international human resource management, accounting for managers, financial accounting concept, importance and scope, generally accepted accounting principles, preparation of financial statement with a special reference to analysis of a balance sheet and measurement of business's income, inventory valuation and depreciation, financial statement analysis, fund flow analysis, statement of cash flow management, accounting concept and needs, importance and scope, cost accounting, record and processing, cost ledgers and control accounts, reconciliation and integration between financial and cost accounts, overhead cost and the control, job and process, costing, budget and budgetary control, performing budgeting, zero based budgeting, relevant costing and cost for the decision making, standard costing and variance analysis, marginal costing and absorption costing, financial management, goal of finance function, concept of value and return, valuation of bonds and share, management of working capital, estimation and financing, management of cash, receivable, inventory and current liabilities, cost of the capital budgeting, financial and operating leverage, design of capital structure, theories and practices, shareholders and value creation, a dividend policy, corporate financial policy and strategy, management of corporate distress, restructuring strategy, capital and money markets, institution and instrument, leasing, hire purchase and venture capital, regulation of capital market risks and returns, portfolio theory, CAPM, APT, financial derivatives and option future swap, recent reforms in financial structure sector. Marketing management, concept, evolution and scope, marketing strategy, formulation, component of marketing plan, segmenting and targeting the market, positioning and differentiating the market offering, analyzing competition, analyzing consumer market, industrial wires, behavior, market research, product strategy, pricing strategy, designing and managing marketing channels, integrated marketing communications, building customer satisfactions, value and retentions, services and non-profit making, ethics in marketing, consumer protection, internet marketing, retail management, customer relationship management, concept of holistic marketing. पेपर 1 का सिलेबस हो गया, अब हम लोग पेपर 2 का सिलेबस देखेंगे. क्वांटिटेटिव टेक्निक्स इन डिसीजन मेकिंग, descriptive statistics, tabular, graphical, numerical methods, introduction to probability, discrete and continuous probability distribution, inferential static sampling distribution, central limit theorem, hypothesis, testing for differences between means and proportions, interference about population variance, chi-square and ANOVA, simple correlation and regression, time series and forecasting, decision theory, index number, linear programming problems, formulation, simplex method and graphical solution, sensitivity analysis. Now, point number 2, production and operations management, fundamental of operation management, organizing for production, aggregate production, planning capacity, planning plant design process, planning plant size and scale of operations, management of facilities, line balancing, equipment replacement and maintenance, production control, supply chain management, vendor evaluation and audit, quality management, statistical process control, Six Sigma, flexibility and agility in manufacturing system, world-class manufacturing, project management concept, R&D management, management of service operation, role and importance of material management, values analysis, make or buy decision, inventory control, MRP, waste management. Management of information system, conceptual foundation of information system, information theory, information resources management, types of information system, systems development, overview of system and design, system development management, life cycle designing, online and distributed environments, implementation and control of project. Trends in information technology, managing data resources, organizing data, DSSR, BMS enterprises, resource planning, ERP export system, e-businesses architecture, e-governance, information system planning, flexibility in information system, user involvement, evaluation of information systems. Point number 4, government businesses interface, state participation in businesses, interactions between government and businesses and different chambers of commerce and industry in India, government's policy with regard to small scale industries, government clearance for establishing a new enterprises, public distribution system, government control over price and distribution, Consumer Protection Act CPA and the role of the voluntary organization in protecting consumer rights, new industrial policy of the government, liberalization, deregulation and privatization, Indian planning system, government policy concerning development of backward areas, regions, the responsibility of the businesses as well as the government to protect the environment, corporate governance and cyber laws. Strategic cost management, businesses policy as a field of study, nature and scope of strategic management, strategic intent, vision, object and policies, process of strategic planning and implementations, environmental analysis and internal analysis, SWOT, SWOT analysis, tools and techniques for strategic analysis, impact matrix, the experience curve, BCG matrices, CGEC model, mode, industry analysis, concept of value chain, strategic profile of a firm, framework for analyzing competition, competitive advantages of a firm, generic competitive strategies, growth strategies, expansion, integration and diversification, concept of the core competence, strategic flexibility, reinventing strategy and structure, chief executive and board, turnaround management, management of strategic change, strategic alliance, merger and acquisitions, strategy and corporate evolution in the Indian context. Point number 6, international businesses environment, changing composition of the trade in goods and services, Indian foreign trade policy, trends and financing of international trade, regional economic cooperation, FTAs, Internationalization of the service firms, international production operation management in international companies, international taxation, global competitiveness and technological developments. Globally, businesses designing global organizational structure and control, culture, multicultural management, global businesses strategy, global marketing strategies, export management, export-import procedures, joint ventures, foreign investment, foreign direct investment, foreign portfolio investment, cross-border mergers and acquisition, foreign exchange, risk exposure management, world financial market and international banking, external debt management, country risk analysis. तो ये मैनेजमेंट का पूरा ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट बोथ पेपर 2 एंड पेपर 1 यहाँ पर कंप्लीट होता है। ठीक है जी, यूपीएससी सिविल सर्विसेज का कह सकते हैं हम लोगों ने ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट देखा मैनेजमेंट का, पेपर 1 एज वेल एज पेपर 2। अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो हमारे चैनल को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। ऑल्सो प्रेस द बेल आइकन ताकि कोई भी वीडियो मैं डालूं तो उसका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। कोई कमेंट हो, कोई सजेशन हो, कोई क्वेरीज हो, कमेंट बॉक्स में पूछ सकते हैं। आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं किसी अगले क्लास में, अगले वीडियो में। सो दैट्स ऑल, थैंक यू वंस अगेन, हैव अ ग्रेट डे।